like at the age when you're in the school, studies, games, fun, picnic, birthdays, and you restrict yourself to that. So this is this and that is that at that particular age. Once you come to the college, 11th and 12th, higher secondary school, a little bit further. You dress up differently, you want to look good because you're growing up, girls are looking pretty, boys are looking handsome, so we want to maintain ourselves that way. Some people will start wearing jeans pant, t-shirt, some will like to wear different attires. So the priority changes. So this and that changes in 11th and 12th. Again, you have to discipline yourself, and at this age, I have to only do these things. Studies, change, have a good attire, I have to look good, I have to develop skills, manners and behavior. That starts in 11th and 12th. So when you start developing your skills of behavior, that is MEB, manners, etiquette and behavior, then you you start grooming up to be a good guy, a good girl, good boy. You come to the university. So from the childhood till your SSC, then you go to your higher secondary. You already disciplined your thinking process now. You know what you are. You very well know how you have to dress up, you very well know what you have to talk, you very well know how you have to behave, you very well know how you have to dress. Now when you compare with those people who have not disciplined themselves, you will easily identify. They don't know how to control themselves. They talk very dirt. I will use the word gutter. We use the word gutter. It reflects the family from where they come from. It reflects the don't talk. It reflects It reflects from what background you are coming from. So basically, when you speak, you behave, you walk, how you talk, how you sit, and the way you treat your friends and the girls in the college and in the city when you go around will actually show what background you come from. So especially when you're making friends, you need to identify those things. Am I in the right company? Is that person thinking like me or is gutter? The word is gutter. Gutter is filth. Gutter is dirt. So you need to identify the company based on this term. Now from this company, you will understand whether these guys or girls are disciplined, whether they are doing their job. Are they studying? No. They are just all the time on Facebook and WhatsApp. And the results? Fail. Reports? Just pass class. Physics? Very bad. So you need to stay away from this kind of people and make them realize that we are outcast. Because children here are knowing what they are supposed to do. They know how to behave, they know how to talk, but I can't mix up with this fellow or this girl or this boy, basically because he cannot think properly. He is gutter. So you need to identify by yourself who is gutter, who is dirt. And who is dirt? Simple yardstick, manners, etiquette, behavior. People who don't have these three things fall in that category. Then you have to go to the second stage, education. Does he read newspapers? Does he watch the news? Has his vocabulary improved? Does he read good books? No, he doesn't do that. Again out. So if you keep on filtering this kind of people from your life, then certainly you will get good company, you will have good people who think rightly, who will guide you well, who will teach you nice things in life, and then success is 100% for you. Nobody can take that success away from you. But the first and foremost decision is identify this kind of people who are put in a bracket called gutter. What did I say? Loudly. Loudly from this side, I can't hear. You all don't eat chapati or what in the morning? What is the word? Loudly. Exactly. You will find gutter outside your house, on the road, and would you like to walk in the gutter? Nobody likes it. So remember, find out, identify who are these characters, because these are the people who will pull you all inside, who will also want you all to become like them. They are like pigs. Another very crude way of explaining. The pigs always want you should come in that muck, and they will try everything to do so that you come in that gang. You need to identify who are pigs, who are cows, who are rabbits. So if you can identify this, then nothing can put you into any problem in life. You will not go into wrong company, and 100% you will be the most successful people from your school, your family. You will get the best jobs, you can buy the best car, you can buy the best bikes, you can get the best gadgets, electronic gadgets. But prima facie, at this stage, you need to identify who is the gutter. Bas. If this is possible, that means you have disciplined your thinking. You know, your brain tells you, once you go in the evening when you have free time, you will decide what program to watch, isn't it? What program you watch? Hindi, English, what program you watch? Don't feel shy. What do you want? There's nothing, these are your classmates, no? What do you watch? Or you get less marks here, no? What do you watch? Hindi programs? You watch? Hindi movies you watch? You got a choice, no? You must be liking some kind of movies. Or music you must be listening to. You got a choice of your own. The same way, watch things, whatever you watch, you got a choice. Like, I think there was some fellow who wanted to join military here. Everybody was going in the village. I'm new here. I'm from Vasco. Some boy who wanted to become military man. He wanted to go on war with in Ukraine and border and China. Some guy was there, I don't know. Anybody wants to join army here? Maybe he will be here. Anybody to join army? Whatever, some boy, army boy. Now he is becoming like Bruce Lee, like he wants to become. Islamic school, okay, so I am right. So there are some boys who have a focused destination where they want to go, where they want to sail their ship to, but they get derailed. They don't know where to go. They just start swaying in the wind. That's just because disciplining the mind is important. Please control your mind at this age. It is just a matter of another 36 months, I would say. You are in the 12th standard or 11th standard? 12th standard. So another 36 months to go. Nothing much. In that there will be so many Sundays. If you calculate 4 to 48, 48 into 3. How much is 48 into 3? 48 into 3. 48 into 3. Just miss. 48 into 3. 48 into 3. Can everybody say fast? No, not 42. 48 into 3. Check again. 142, 144. What is right now? Tell me. 48 into 3. 8 3s is 24. And then 3 4s are 12, 144. Who is 144? Who said 144? Fantastic. That means IQ is good. Fast calculation. So the whole thing is if you can, there are people like this who can calculate fast. Those are techniques in multiplication. There are techniques in understanding and solving problems. So this is problem solving. So if you can solve problems like this, then on Google sometimes you get that image puzzles. They say that how many lines you can see in that picture, or how many. Have you ever seen that on Google? Try to solve that. Those are problem solving pictures. There are some logical reasoning questions. Just when you get time, just sit with that and try to solve it. So your thinking process will change. You will basically know how your mind, you can apply your mind to a problem. So having problems is not an issue. Everybody has a problem. Somebody must be having a problem of eating too much. Somebody must be having a problem of studying too much. Somebody must be having a problem of watching TV a lot. So they like it. But basically you need to identify it. Yes, I have got a problem. I require to solve that issue, and I require to solve it how. So either you solve it on your own, take the help of your parents or some family members who can guide you in that. Even though if you cannot get an answer to that, sometimes you don't want to disclose your personal things to your family members, you don't want to tell anything to your friends, then you need to confide to someone who could just guide you, like, what do I do? This thing has happened. So we are there with you. Okay? I am not a priest for confession, but we can guide you. We can tell you, education-wise, your friends-wise, your personal problems, before it increases, it goes beyond your control. It should not become like a tsunami. So initially it starts, then it starts spreading, and then it's uncontrollable. It's like a cancer. So you need to identify what your problem is, and everything is easily solvable. There is nothing that can't be solved. Like we catch criminals. It's very difficult, but we work overtime, we just break our head in all the directions, and it's possible. So we also doubt sometimes how to do it now, what to do. Like that gang which we caught from Bicholi who were breaking that bank and they stole the money, and we caught them on the at Ratnagiri railway station, one guy from here, from there, all places. It becomes difficult for us. We are also human beings, but we accept it that yes, it's a problem. So I will advise you, if there is any issues like that, which your parents can't solve, speak to your class teachers. Discuss with them. Talk to them, ma'am, I got a problem. Like maybe you don't understand our subject, maybe you don't understand a chapter. Don't sit quietly at home and start pondering on that. Oh, I'm not understanding this. I am not a good person. I'll go down. I'm a weak guy. Nothing like that. Accepting one's fault is not becoming weak. It is one step ahead to success. You will know I'm weak here. I'll make this stronger. Then I'll go ahead. I'll become more stronger and stronger. And then nothing will be left as a weakness in you. So find out what is your weakness. Speak to your class teachers. Speak to your parents. If you don't get solutions from there, then you can go and approach us eventually if you feel free. We are there. Girls can meet my lady staff, and as long as I am here, I am always there for you to be guided in your career point of view, in your personal life if there are any issues. But the whole thing, don't get into alcohol, because that will destabilize your thinking process. How many people have, students have dogs at home, pets, cats? Who has got? What? Who has? So most of them have. What you will do, no? These are among us.